Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Casio model so you know which key layout to expect. This matters because models differ slightly. Once done, make sure batteries or external power are stable to avoid data loss during shutdown. Next, locate the on key and the shift or exit key so your fingers are ready. You are preparing to send the proper shutdown command rather than ripping batteries. This preserves memory and prevents file corruption, which is why these first steps are important. You now perform the shutdown sequence using the keys you located. Different models use different methods, so follow the one that fits yours. If your calculator has a dedicated OFF via Shift then OFF, press those keys firmly. If not, hold the on key for 2 to 3 seconds to trigger a soft power off. Alternatively, navigate menu to exit or power options and select OFF. These steps ensure the operating system closes files and saves settings safely before power is removed. You finish by confirming the screen is dark and any backlight is off. That means shutdown succeeded. If the display remains active, try removing and reinserting batteries briefly or press the small reset button. Use a paperclip gently. Make sure to back up memory to a computer or SD card first if the calculator is responsive, because reset can erase unsaved data. If problems persist, replace batteries or consult model-specific guides. This troubleshooting tip prevents
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.